Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican popsicles. First, select your favorite fresh, ripe fruits like juicy mangoes, tangy limes, or exotic tamarind. You'll also need granulated sugar, clean water, and just a tiny pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Before you begin mixing, make sure your popsicle molds are clean and ready, and have your popsicle sticks close at hand. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable process from start to finish. Now, let's prepare our fruit base. Begin by thoroughly washing and peeling your selected fruits to ensure they are perfectly clean. Next, carefully cut the fruits into small, manageable pieces. This makes them much easier to blend smoothly. Combine the fruit pieces with about 1 cup of water and a half cup of sugar in a blender. Blend until the mixture is completely smooth, tasting and adjusting the sweetness to your preference for a perfect balance. To elevate your palates, consider adding exciting flavor variations. A dash of chili powder, a squeeze of extra lime juice, or even small whole fruit pieces can add wonderful texture and zest. Carefully pour your prepared mixture into the popsicle molds, making sure to leave about 1/4 inch of space at the top for expansion. Then, gently insert your popsicle sticks. Place them in the freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or ideally, overnight, for perfect solidification. Once your palates are completely frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily release a popsicle from its mold, simply run a little warm water over the outside of the mold for just a few seconds. Gently pull the stick, and your delicious treat will slide right out. Serve these refreshing and flavorful palates immediately. Don't hesitate to experiment with various fruit combinations and additional ingredients to discover your own unique and favorite homemade Mexican popsicle recipes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.